Our final ratio that we need to look at is a cosine ratio. So far we've looked at tan, which was opposite over adjacent. We've looked at sine, which was opposite over hypotenuse. And the cosine ratio is the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, remembering that the hypotenuse is going to be the longest side. So it's big over small. So if we want to find the adjacent length b in this example, we know that the angle opposite the right angle is our hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse is 35 millimeters. The opposite side of this triangle is opposite the 40 degrees, and that's not required for the cosine ratio. And we want to work out b, which is the adjacent side. So cos x equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So cos of 40 equals b over 35. We're going to multiply both sides by 35 to isolate b. So b is going to be 35 times cos 40. And if we put that in our calculators, b is going to be 26.8 millimeters to 1 decimal place. So if we want to find the angle x, first of all, we need to work out what our cosine ratio is. So that's our cos x equals, and remember it's a over h, adjacent over hypotenuse. So our adjacent is 34 and our hypotenuse is 45. So cos x equals 34 over 45. And to isolate x, we have to do the inverse cosine or arc cos. So x equals arc cos of 34 over 45. And that's going to equal 41 degrees to the nearest degree.